Look here. None of us is a mistake. When God was creating us, He created us for a plan and a purpose, because He had set the plan even before. Even beforehand, before Naxa was born, before he was formed in his mother's womb, God had a plan and a purpose. He saw that there is a revival coming. He saw that there is a revival coming, and young people need to hear the message. It's not by mistake that I'm here. Of course, I went to school. Of course, I got my degree. But God had a bigger plan. God had a purpose. And you have a purpose. He has a purpose for you. You have a reason to be here. I don't care what you go through. I don't care what has happened. If only you knew who you are in Christ, you would understand why you're going through what you're going through, and you would understand that this is a process to prepare you for what is to come, to build you, to mold you, to trim you, to prune you. Because some branches carry pests, some branches carry disease, and some branches carry fruit. But God will not make the mistake of letting them all be on the same plant. He will prune off the filth